Ako ba yung gago dahil pinalayas ko ang fiancé ko? I currently work from home, earning 100,000 plus per month. My fiancé is a GP/doctor, earning around 150,000 to 200,000. Nakatira kami ngayon sa bahay ko. Since she's saving for her residency, I never asked her to contribute sa rent, utilities, or groceries. I want for her to feel comfortable and focus sa work niya. Ako na rin gumagawa ng karamihan ng household chores between the two of us kasi alam ko how demanding her job is. I know maliit na bagay na if kaya I cook for her, prepare her bed, and not ask for anything in return, especially financially. Recently, nalaman ko na araw-araw siyang nanlilibre ng workmates. She knows and admits na people pleaser talaga siya. So, it doesn't really bother me. Pero naisip ko lang, kung kaya niyang maging sobrang generous sa ibang tao, bakit parang sa akin, laging may conditions, may expectations? One time, I told her to turn off the lights kasi almost 5,000 na ang electric bill. Padabog siya nagbigay siya ng 1,000 for electricity. Her only monetary contribution to utilities ever, and my total monthly na binabayaran is around 40 hanggang 50,000 for bills. Nagrereklamo na rin siya na mahal daw mag-grab mula sa bahay ko papunta sa work niya. Kahit by doing the math, mas makakamura pa rin siya compared sa mag-rent pa siya ng sarili niyang lugar kasi she still needs to commute to work. Nasa bahay lang siya pag rest days niya. Pero isang beses na she had a good night's sleep and wala namang trabaho that day, I asked her to wash the dishes. Nagalit pa siya at nagkaroon kami ng grabing away. Sinama pa niya yung nanay niya sa away, which I've told her before. Dapat, di na involve yung family members pag may quarrels kami. This is the nth time she did this. Kanina, nag-away kami ulit kasi kinukwento niya how she regularly treats her coworkers. Sinabi ko na, I feel like she's so generous to other people, pero bakit pagdating sa akin, parang may condition na she keeps track kung ano and magkano binibigay niya sa akin. Nasabi ko sa galit na kung ganito lang palagi, na lumayas na lang siya. Alam kong mali na sinabihan ko siya ng ganito, pero gusto ko lang maramdaman na na-appreciate niya ako